right, so now we're looking at the tangent graph and its inverse. So of course tangent keeps going. We would have more asymptotes over here. We'd have another tangent wave over here. But if we inversed that, then this, when we inverse it, would come up here. Something like this. And now we wouldn't have a function anymore. So with tangent, what we do, so that's not a function. So with tangent, we limit the original graph's domain for one period, negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. So unlike the sine and cosine where we had to limit to half a period, because a full period would involve creating something not a function, with tangent we can do a whole period. We've got two asymptotes in the inverse. So I'm going to get rid of this so that we can look at the inverse graph. So we've got two asymptotes, and then we have x is an element of reals. All right? So we know that tan of 45 is 1, but let's look at the graph. So tan inverse of 1, we would go to 1 and then find our angle, and our angle would be pi over 4. So, and again, we're looking just in our restricted domain, so looking in our restricted picture, we get just pi over 4. All right. So in B, arctan of negative root 3. Negative root 3 is somewhere down around here. So let's look at that. Sorry, I should have had it open already. All right, so negative root 3. So square root of 3. And then I also want to compare that to pi over 2 just to see how close we are. All right. Negative root 3. What am I looking at here? Oh, sorry, negative root 3 is over here somewhere. So negative root 3, we're looking on the x-axis, 1.73, so around here. That's going to come down here. That's going to be the bigger of my angles. So we're down at negative pi over 3. All right, so there's some looking at arctan tan.